Hello everyone, today we have a new video with a new schematic and new PCB. So here you can see this is my schematic of the PCB. Here is the component placed. So let me just show you how it works. So here is the 12 volt supply. Barrel jack connector is given here, so we can input 12 volt, and this is the 3.3 volt regulator which actually provides the power to the ESP chip because it works on 3.3 volt. So 12 volt is converted to 3.3 volt and ESP chips works. So here you can see this big box which is a relay, and here is its diode. Diode is necessary because it can damage the chip if not placed. So here is a transistor. You can see this is the transistor which gives signal to the relay to turn on. First of all, ESP turns the pin high, then transistor turns on, then relay turns on. So here are the buttons which are playing an important role in this PCB. So this button is for reset, which is reset the ESP chip, and this is for speed up. So this will increase the speed and this will decrease the speed. So there are two buttons for speed up and down, and this is for on and off. The output will be on and off on pressing this button. These are the indicator LEDs for indicating IR signal, and you can see here is also another LED which is for relay turned on. So when the relay is on, this LED will also glow, and another LED is given here which is off state. When the relay is off, it will glow. So let's just look at the actual PCB. Here we have, this is the PCB we have made. It's a fully single side. Here we have relay, transistor, here is the 12 volt input, DC barrel jack, and these are the output pins. Here comes 12 volt, ground, and here is PWM, and this pin is for extra. So here you can add a transistor which can control a DC motor directly, and you can't control any PWM fan from this. So you have only one option, either control a PWM fan or either control a motor from this. So you can look how it's designed. Here is the chip, here is IR sensor, here is the diode for the relay, and here is 3.3 volt regulator. Here is pause button, speed down, speed up, and reset button. So I have made a case for it. So here is the case which I have made for it. So it just simply goes in like that. You see, it just fits like that, and this goes over it. So here it is how it looks. Here is the input, here is the output, and here are the LEDs, sensor, and buttons. You can push it from here. So let's just give it a power supply. You can see here is the power, and it turns on. You can see the LED, and here is the on off button. You can just press from it. You can see it turns on and it turns off. And also here is the IR sensor, so you can control it from the remote itself. So just you can see it switches, and these pins are for speed up and speed down. So you can just press here, it will speed up, or you can just press down, so speed will go down. And as you see, and this is the reset button. So let's just connect the fan. So for now I have this small fan which is DC brushless, 12 volt, 1.68 amps. So let's just connect it. Connection is really simple. Just use this positive at this side, and the connection is done. So let's just test it. So we can now control it. Here is the on off remote. You can see the speed is really low for now, rotating at slow speed. So we will increase the speed with these buttons. You can hear the voice is increasing. can turn it off. It goes off. The red LED is glowing, it means it's off. And also you can turn it on. It's on now. So let's just decrease the speed a little bit. Also it has a memory function. So for now, like if I remove this button, this pin, the power is out. Now I will connect it again. You can see the LED still glows. So what we will do, we will turn it off, and now you will see it won't turn on again because we turned it off previously. You can see it's out, and you can see it's off. And if you want to turn it on, we can just simply turn it on with the remote. And also you can connect other fan with it. Let's just attach other fan. Let's attach other fan to it. We have this big fan. You can see it's 12 volt 1.4 amp. This is really big. You can see with my palm hand. And I will just turn it on in front of you. So let's take a bit here. And these are the pins. You can see positive, negative, and is the signal pin. So we will provide this in the same way. So see, here goes the positive, here goes the negative wire, and this is the signal wire. So you can see how we connected the 3 wires here, and now we can control it with the remote itself, and if you want with the button also. For now I will turn it with on remote. You can see it turned on. You will just increase the speed. You can see it's at full speed. I will just turn off, so it just turns off. You can see it turned off, and if we turn on, this is the on button, turned on. It will go to the state ready to work. So one more feature is there. If we press this button and if the speed goes to 0, the fan will automatically turn off, because at 0 speed it will run at minimum speed. So to avoid that, we have added relay. So let's just try that. And also if it's in off state of any up or down, so it will start automatically. So just if hours, and you can see it turns on. So let's just make the speed 0. So now you will see that the green light will turn off automatically after a few clicks. You can see it's fully turned off. Now it will not. So you can see it's turned off. If I go speed 1, it will run at minimum speed, which is the minimum speed it can run. Below that it won't run. This is how it works, and it goes to maximum speed from this button. So now let's just see how we can program this remote with this, or we can change these buttons. So let me just change. First of all, I will show you this is the button, this is off button, this is on button, speed minus and speed plus. You can see this is how it works. So we will add our custom buttons like 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's just keep a fan a little bit aside like this, and here are the buttons. These are the manual button. If you want to see, if I just play this, it will turn off and the fan will also turn off like this. The fan is turned off. So we have to program this. For now, what we will do, we will press these two buttons simultaneously and reset it. and you can see the LED is glowing. It means it's in recording mode, so we will record our remote. So first buttons means it is for speed up, so it is like this one, speed up, it's detected. And second button is speed down, speed down. This is on button and this is off button. So you can see it will now restart. So we have programmed this remote with our custom remote. So now you can see if I press one button, it will start and the speed will increase from this button only, and this button won't work. You can see it's not working, so we will use these buttons. So this will increase the speed. And this will decrease the speed. And this is on off button, so it is on, so we will press off, so it's off. If you want to turn it on, let's press it on. So no other button will work for it. You can see just these buttons will work. So also we can add any custom remote, whatever you want, so it will work like a charm and without no issue. So you can make exhaust fan out of it or any other thing you want. It's a very great thing for your school projects and other projects. Big thanks to Circuitician for developing this awesome code. Link to his channel is given in the description. Subscribe him for more awesome tech content. Also test code and circuit diagram is given in the description if you want to give it a try. For full code and PCB you can DM us on Instagram. Our Instagram ID is given in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.